guys, here in today's video we're gonna review this dog hair vacuum that I got sent out for review. It looks really cool. It is a low noise dog grooming vacuum. So with this one you can remove your pet's hair and you will collect everything within these vacuums. Okay, so let's see how it works. And this is everything that it includes. You can see that it includes a lot of attachments, and here you will be connecting this tube right here that it will be vacuuming all the hair right here, and this is how you will store it. Once that you are done, you can carry it with the handle as well. And this is the cable for connecting to the power outlet. This is one of the attachments that you can use, and you can just attach it right here and start brushing your pet's hair like this. This is how it sounds, and you can use this one as well, and you just choose the one that you want to do it to use. You can use the minimum or the maximum. It has a very good potency, and you can even vacuum some of the hair that your dog leaves on your house, like the sofa or your living room. And you can also remove the hair from your clothing with this same vacuum. So let's just use this one and start grooming our pet with this one. Okay, so once that it cuts it, it also vacuums the hair, so you don't leave any mess behind. Okay, so we're gonna use this part right here, this attachment, and attach it right here. It's really easy to attach it, and let's start doing it in our dog. First, let's brush her hair like this. As you can see, she's not scared at all. She feels like a massage right here. Now let's trim a little bit her hair as well. This is the attachment that we are using. And as you can see, nothing is dropping on the table that we are using. So as you can see here, we are cutting her hair and vacuuming at the same time. She even feels like comfortable that we are doing this to her. So it's really nice for the dogs. As you can see, everything is going to this part of the vacuum, like the case. She is a dog that usually she drops a lot of hair, so it is really nice. Now let's see this part where the hair, as you can see, she's gorgeous. So I love how it looks and how the hair looks like now that it is all cut and brushed out. So this is all the hair that we collected from the brushing and the grooming. Now let's remove so you can see, and this is easy to clean. You just remove this hair from here, and it also comes with this pouch where you can just put everything again. Once you have cleaned them all, you can store it this way.